Good morning, class 11th students. Myself, Arun Kumar Upadhyay. There is an important notice. You purchase your books and copies. Do your homework on fair copy. Today, we shall study in chemistry subject some basic concept of chemistry, stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculations. In our last video, we were discussed about empirical and molecular formulae. Today, we shall discuss about reactions in solutions. Reactions in solution. Most of the chemical reactions in the laboratory are carried in solutions. The concentration of a binary solution in which two components in bracket solute and solvent bracket close are present can be expressed in a number of ways. These are: first, mass percent or bit percent; second, mole fraction; third, molarity; fourth, molality. First, mass percent. Mass percent of a solution may be defined as the number of parts by mass of one component in bracket solute or solvent bracket close per 100 parts by mass of the solution. If A and B are the two components of a binary solution, mass percent of A is equal to WA divided by WA plus WB multiplied by 100. Mass percent of B is equal to WB divided by WA plus WB multiplied by 100. Second, mole fraction in bracket X bracket close. Mole fraction may be defined as the ratio of the number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. For a binary solution made up of components A and B, mole fraction of A in bracket XA bracket close is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Mole fraction of B in bracket XB bracket close is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Sum of mole fraction in bracket Xa plus Xb bracket close is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb is equal to 1. Mole fraction being a ratio has no units. Third, molarity in bracket capital M bracket close. Molarity of a solution may be defined as the number of gram moles of the solute dissolved per liter in bracket or decimeter cube bracket close of the solution. Molarity capital M is equal to gram moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liters is equal to mass of solute in grams upon molar mass whole divided by volume of solution in milliliter upon 1000. Units of molarity gram moles per liter or moles per liter. Fourth, molality in bracket small m bracket close. Molality of a solution may be defined as the number of gram moles of the solute dissolved in 1000 gram in bracket or kilogram bracket close of the solvent. molality m is equal to gram moles of the solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram is equal to mass of solute in gram upon molar mass whole divided by mass of solvent in grams upon 1000. Units of molality grams moles per kilogram or moles per kilogram. Now today homework, calculate the molality and molarity of 93% H2SO4 in bracket weight per volume bracket close. The density of the solution is 1.84 gram per liter. The notice repeat again. You purchase your books and copies. Do your homework on fair copy.